Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to Anika's channel. So today I have created this beautiful party makeup which is actually inspired by Daisy Ariel. I recently came across a picture, it's a painting I would say, which was Ariel wearing sari, and I really loved it. I really loved the idea. So I was thinking, why not I create something for you guys which is close to that painting. So here is the outcome. If you guys want to see how I have created this look, then please keep on watching. All my new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and everyone, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, I am using liquid glass by Versailles and letting it sit onto my face. Today I will be using my James Charles palette, which I absolutely love it. So first shade, I'm using It's Called Playground from the palette. It's a blue shade, and I am putting it all over my crease, and it will act as my transition color. The brush I'm using is from ARIEL Techniques. It called crease brush. Then I'm just going over a blending brush M441 and making sure it's all blended. Then I'm taking a shade called Boutique. It's a brown shade, and focusing it more to my outer V and blending the products into my crease. So that's how it created that green. You guys can see it created a very nice dark green. Then I am using the shade called Benny, and again focusing it to my outer V, and then I kind of blended that into my crease. So today I did go over I did with a cut crease look. So I am cutting my crease with my concealer. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Shade is Amber. I'm using a flat brush from the from Morphe. It called M0116, and as you guys can see, my crease is looking a little wide, or you guys can say it's looking a little messy. I have hooded eyes, so I needed a little more lid space. So that's why I did my crease a little bigger, but you guys will see at the end it looked very beautiful. Then I'm setting my lid space with some loose setting powder. Then I used this beautiful green sea color, I will say. It's very beautiful shimmer color. It's called Hello from the palette, and I'm putting it everywhere over my lid, like everywhere, wherever I clean it up. Then taking the darker brown shade called Benny and blending the shimmer and the brown together. I'm using a flat brush. It's not flat but fluffy flat brush it's also from Morphe M433. You guys can see I'm making sure there's no harsh line between the shimmer and the brown color. And going over with the crease brush once again and making sure all are looking blended and nice. It's looking pretty. I did my brows off camera. If you guys want to see how I do it, I can definitely give the link to the description box below. I have a video on that. So for foundation, I'm using my L'Oreal foundation, and I also did that off camera. So for concealer, I used my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Shade is Amber, and just concealing it on my regular places. You guys know the drill. For contour, I used the Fenty Beauty Stick Contour. The shade is Truffle, and I just put it my usual contour areas. Also, I have a video on how I do my highlighting and contour. I definitely will give the link in the description box below. Don't forget to check that. Then I am just contouring my jawline and also the nose. Of course, I have a double chin, I need to hide that, and definitely my nose. So yeah, I'm using the Morphe nose contour brush. It came with the James Charles brush set. They had a nose contour brush, which I love it. Making sure there's no harsh lines. So today I decided to go with a sharp contour. So I'm cleaning my contour down there, and I am using my concealer to clean under my contour line, and you guys can see it's looking very sharp and beautiful. I really loved it how it turned out. Then I'm setting my under eyes and my usual areas where I put concealer. I am setting it with the Huda Beauty loose setting powder. The shade is Banana Bread. Also not forgetting my contour under my contour line. So to bronze my face, I used the Fenty Beauty bronzer. The shade is Bayesian Gale. It's very pretty. You guys can see I focused more onto my contour area, so I love bronzer to set my contour, and it just looks very natural and pretty. I love it. So for my cheeks, I actually used a cream blush. It's also by Fenty Beauty. It's a new cream blush they came out with. I think it called Petal Poppin'. Then I set my face with Morphe setting spray and going over with my beauty blender to set all these places. So to smoke out my under eyes, I'm using the blue shade Playground, and kind of working very close to my outer V, and also kind of like going over the places. Then with the blending brush, it's a clean blending brush, no products on there, just blending those areas out. So for my inner eyes, I'm using the green sea color, I would say that green sea color, and that shimmer. I am just focusing it to my inner corners basically. So I popped some lashes off camera, and then I'm going over with the black eyeshadow and kind of like darkening or making my inner corners darker. For highlighters, I used SOL, but it's SOL ColourPop highlighter. Its shade is soft pink, and putting it onto my high points of my face. Also setting my nose contour, which I forgot, but yeah, I went over and set it. So for my lips, I used the NYX lip pencil. The shade is Ever, and I'm just lining my lips. And you guys can see that's actually exactly same color as my lip, and I really love this one. It's very creamy and beautiful. For the liquid lipstick, I'm using the shade called Thun. It's from Morphe. I bought a lip set called Kiss List, and that lipstick's from there. It's very pretty. You guys can see it's actually complementing their look. Here's the final look, and I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please let me know in the comment box below. I would love to hear back from you guys. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions, any concerns. All my new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Everyone, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.